All right, in our second video looking at limits as we approach a vertical asymptote. Again, the reason why I know I'm approaching a vertical asymptote is if I plug in the number 1, I get 1 plus 3 is 4 over 0. Anytime I get a non-zero number over 0, that's a vertical asymptote. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to figure out if it's going to positive infinity or negative infinity on either side. If they match, then we will put the matching infinity. If they don't match, then we write does not exist. Okay, so when you go to put this into Desmos, what I want to make sure you understand is that when you're typing it in, you are going to overcompensate by putting parentheses around the top, divided by, and when you write that divided by symbol, it's going to create the fraction, and then go ahead and finish it off. So if you type it in just like this, you'll notice that what you'll get, boom, is that. Okay, now let's zoom out just a little bit. There's our picture. Okay, now we could definitely zoom out a little bit, but our vertical asymptote is happening at 1, okay? And as you can see, that vertical asymptote is happening at 1. This sort of, I call these L shapes. This L shape is going up to positive infinity, and this one is dipping down to negative infinity. So if I just did a quick sketch, so here's the vertical asymptote at 1. This piece is up here. This piece is down here. Ah, way to go, Jen. All right, cool. So again, if this was a homework problem, I would put graphed in Desmos, do a quick sketch, okay, and then I'm going to answer my left-handed limit and my right-handed limit. So my left-handed limit, as it's coming in from the left, is going to negative infinity, and the one as it's going to the right is going to positive infinity. So let's come over here. So from the left, it was negative infinity. From the right, it was positive infinity. Okay, now those are the correct answers for the left-handed limit and the right-handed limit. However, when I want to know what's the limit at the vertical asymptote, for it to exist at the asymptote, these have to match. They don't, okay? I've got a positive infinity, I've got a negative infinity. So up here we would say does not exist. So again, each left-handed limit and right-handed limit we will get in the answer, but our final answers we're trying to figure out if these match or not. In the previous video, these matched. In this video, they don't match. So if they don't match, does not exist.